o'clock in the morning. Over here at work. Gotta shovel all this snow because the boss forgot to bring some salt. So I also forgot to lift up my windshield wipers. It's not even an hour and our car is fully snowed up. Now I have to get my windshield wiper. Got one up. I gotta get the other. Now I'm gonna take this out later on. There we go. That's a stick. So it looks funny. Oh man, that was some fast snow. I gotta shovel everything on later on. 4 o'clock in the morning. Trying to shovel as much as I can before it starts sticking. That's the part of being a super. You have to work 24/7 for your tenants. Nobody will slip. Probably got some salt downstairs. If not, I'm gonna have to use some salt and pepper. Let's get to work. Okay, so I threw some salt, and we found some salt actually. I found some salt downstairs, but shoveled all this out. Look at the snow already covered most of it up anyway. So, but I cleaned all this out from all the way down there to down there, and I also helped the people, my tenants' cars. I lift up their windshield wipers as well, so they won't have to stick. But now, time to go home. Woohoo!